Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a really practical Power BI technique, how to create overlapping bar charts, which are perfect for showing and comparing variance over time, like between two products, different months, or even plan versus actual performance. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up overlapping bars, use slicers for dynamic date filtering, and make your analysis both visually appealing and highly interactive. Let's jump right in. Now I'm going to assume you already have your dataset loaded into Power BI. If not, make sure you import your data first. Once you're ready and your data is visible in the Fields pane, the first thing you want to do is click on the bar chart icon in the Visualizations panel. This adds a fresh bar chart to your report canvas. You might be wondering why we start with this, and it's because the bar chart is our canvas for visual comparison. It's what will allow us to layer multiple values side by side for easy variance analysis. Next up, it's time to populate this bar chart with your data. Over in the Fields pane, simply drag the relevant fields to the axis and values sections of the chart. For example, let's say we want to compare sales amounts by month for two products. You drag the month field to your axis and both product A sales and product B sales to the values. Power BI will automatically create grouped or overlapping bars so you can see differences at a glance. Take a moment to check that the bars represent the info you want. It's easy to accidentally select the wrong column, but if you do, no stress, just drag and drop the correct one. Now let's make this chart interactive. Click anywhere outside of your current visualizations to deselect. Then from the Visualizations pane, add a slicer to your canvas. The slicer is that little filtering tool that makes it super easy for users to focus on just the time periods they care about most. Think of it like a set of selective glasses for your report. Once your slicer visual appears, drag the date or month field from your Fields pane directly onto the slicer. With that, your slicer will display all available dates or months from your data set. This step is crucial. It lets anyone viewing your dashboard quickly slice and dice the data, comparing overlapping bars for different periods with just a click. Don't worry if your slicer looks a bit plain right now, we'll fix that in the next step. With your slicer selected, head to the Format Visual section, usually found as a paint roller icon. In here you'll notice there's a style setting. Click that and select Vertical List. By default, slicers sometimes appear as horizontal tiles, which can get crowded if you have a lot of dates or months. Switching to a vertical list makes those options easily scrollable and visually clearer, especially for time-based data. Now try out your new interactive chart. Click different dates or months on your slicer and watch how your overlapping bar chart updates instantly. This lets you dig into specific time frames and spot exactly where variances pop up. It's a fantastic way to quickly zoom in on trends or outliers. Think of it as your own little dashboard time machine. And that's all there is to it. You've just created a dynamic, overlapping bar chart with a date slicer in Power BI, making your reports far more insightful and flexible. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to see more Power BI tips, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this, so you never miss a chance to level up your data skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.